Before you can build automation and intelligence into your project, you need to create a back-end data model for the entities that interact with that automation and intelligence. In many cases, that means physical entities. For example, you will likely want to model devices, industrial assets, your users, and spaces like buildings, cities, or countries. It also means logical entities, for example work orders and tasks, or processes that link everything together. It means any entity that should be analyzed, automated, or considered by your smart product solution. Conceptually, this is a straightforward objective. You know the world your app lives in and the challenge it solves. However, practically, connecting your data model to the virtual processes that need to interact with it can be challenging. You will need to develop an API for external apps to interact with entities. You will want to determine which data should appear as soon as it arrives versus which data should appear on request. You will want one entity to be able to communicate with another entity easily and seamlessly. And maybe most challenging, you will want to carefully control which users can see, edit, create, or delete which types of entities in your world. Before long, your simple data model may be overwhelmed by a sea of code painstakingly written to achieve all this. This is where Altair AnythingDB comes in. Altair AnythingDB is specially designed to help smart product developers create a model of the world that their applications can interact with. It enables a contextual, digital twin of the entities in your application's universe and automatically gives your internal automation and external applications secure interfaces to access those entities. It uses JSON to define entities, so you can create heterogeneous schemas and relationships in a single collection. It automatically generates both REST endpoints and MQTT topics for entities and their properties, so you can access exactly the data you want at exactly the right speed. No need to fetch the whole document. AnythingDB gives you control over what users can access what, down to each entity in the database. And we provide an intuitive entity definition standard which allows you to validate data easily while being flexible enough to model anything. AnythingDB is ACID compliant, multi-tenant, and auto-scaling. And it provides automatic backups to ensure no data loss. With AnythingDB, you can provide contextual information to telemetry analytics and artificial intelligence models. You can build rich user experiences that give users the right amount of control and the right data at the right time. AnythingDB is the backbone of your application. It offers all the tools you need to model the universe, then automate it.